What is up, guys? Today we will talk about your FC24 DirectX error that you get, your game crashes, your graphic drive is crashing, and how can you fix it? Well, this error occurred due to different problems. I'm just going to tell you the possible solution for it. The only solution that worked for me was updating the drivers. If you have a graphic card from NVIDIA or AMD, just go to their website and download the graphic drivers. Suppose you have an NVIDIA drivers, just go to NVIDIA graphic driver download, search for the graphic card that you have, and download the driver. However, updating the graphics card driver only won't fix the problem because there are graphics driver exist for your processors as well. So in that case, suppose you have an AMD like a CPU, just like me, because in my case, I had an AMD CPU and it was causing me this error in different games. So how was I able to fix it? For that, I just went to Google, search for AMD drivers update or AMD drivers download. Now, searching for that will obviously bring up this website. Just go to the AMD drivers and support for, AMD's website. Now here, as you can see, you can download the Windows drivers and then you can download the graphics drivers as well. Or you can download the auto-installed one as well. Once you have installed the chipset drivers, what it will do is it will fix the error for you, and you just make sure to download the updated drivers for your AMD or for your NVIDIA GPU as well. This thing will actually fix the error for you. However, if this thing doesn't fix the error, there could be an error in your DirectX as well. For that, just download the fresh DirectX. Just go to Google, search for DirectX download, and there you go. You'll be able to download the DirectX from the Microsoft website and install it. That's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to fix this error. Hope you guys find this video helpful.